Okay, an update on our 58 Impala is Lloyd's got the motor in, got a lot of the front end accessories on, working on the fuel injection system now, and believe it or not, Lloyd does work. Some people may disagree with that at home, but anyways, Lloyd does work. Laying on his back sometimes, but putting the fuel system in the back of the car right now. It's got fuel injection, so it needs some extra pumps in the tank. So working away on that. Up towards the front, you'll see a more complete motor today. And this is a 348, which is a old style big block Chevy, but it's a unique one, 348 409, and it has some unique brackets as well. So we're fighting that challenge of trying to get the right brackets because we've updated the alternator, we've added air conditioning, we've put power steering on, fuel injection on the motor, power brakes, giving a lot more drivability and comfort creatures to the car. But that all causes a lot of extra time figuring out the brackets, figuring out how to get everything to work together, and we're just about there. So fuel system's going in the back. It's already plumbed up to the front, so that's coming along very well. Once we're finished here, we're doing a mock-up on the front of the car as well. Once we're finished here, the whole car will go back to the body shop to start getting the final paint put on it. The interior's here, so we'll talk about that a little bit later once we get over to the upholstery area. Okay? So that's it for now on the 58. We'll get back to that a little later.